Welcome everyone. I am Pascal Clement, founder of proficient and your trainer. Do you know where you stand in regard to your physical asset management strategies and the performance that you're getting out of it? Are you able to evaluate the result of your improvement actions on the global performance of the company? Would you like to target the areas for improvement where you will get the most bang for your buck, the most value for the resources involved? To do so, you need to assess where you're standing at, to establish a reference against which to benchmark, to evaluate the efficiency of the actions implemented. This reference will also enable you to pinpoint the weak links, where you can start working to get the biggest improvement results on the overall performance for your investment. One cannot improve what is not measured. So if you want to stop trying to improve randomly and start improving in a structured manner, then the performance-centered asset management audit tool is for you and your people. It is simple and easy to use, like all the other P-CAM tools. So it includes a method to audit several tactical and technical assessment points, as well as strategic and cultural assessment points. This is to make sure that not only the technique is mastered, but also the processes and the leadership. It is global and holistic. This training explains it all in detail. You will be surprised how quickly the process is shaping and improves the overall performance of the company. It uses the global sustainability triple performances, the people, planet, profit, to get the most value out of your assets. These trainings complete the performance-centered asset management training set, the P-CAM Audit, continuous performance for physical asset management. The set of training also includes the foundational processes of asset management, the reliability-centered maintenance, the total predictive maintenance, the root cause analysis tools, and in-depth reliability and data analysis trainings to learn the language of assets. The set is available in English or French, online, on-site, or in public session in partnership with universities in France and Canada. Support is also available through consultation services tailored to your operational context. Let's build together a sustainable and safe future. To know more, visit proficient.com. This is proficient.com. Thank you for your attention. Get on the training and do not hesitate to reach out for more info. Cheers! This was Pascal Clement, founder of proficient.com.